The study modeled two scenarios, tariffs of 70% or 120% on goods from China, which is targeted for the highest tariffs, and found that U.S. consumers' prices on toys and games from all sources would go up an average of 36.3% to 55.8%. Guys, if you're out there and you're thinking about starting a toy company and you have the ability to manufacture plastics and do that kind of stuff, like you're working out of your garage, I know some people that do this. There's a whole community of people that do injection molding, like as a hobby, that are trying to do, they do small scale. Guys, now is your time. Now's your opportunity. Get those businesses ramped up, because come about January, February of 2025, you're going to be able to take some work from at least some of these smaller creators and make small batch toys from us so we can sell them at an affordable price.
That has to
Toys and
be
collectibles might actually be in the horizon.
Yep.
Rent one of these buildings, put in their machines, hire American workers, and you know what? Local economies are boosted. We're American made again.
It's crazy.